Machine learning versus deep learning, understanding the differences with real-life examples. Today, let's unravel the distinctions between machine learning and deep learning using real-life examples. We'll explore how these approaches differ and where they shine in practical applications. Machine learning involves algorithms that learn patterns and make predictions from data without being explicitly programmed. For instance, consider email spam filtering. Instead of manually defining rules for identifying spam, a machine learning model learns from labeled examples. Based on features like keyword, sender repetition, and email content, the model predicts whether an email is spam or not. While deep learning is a subset of machine learning, focuses on neural networks with many layers capable of learning intricate patterns. Let's look at image recognition as an example. In deep learning, conventional neural networks analyze images layer by layer, learning hierarchical features. For instance, in facial recognition systems, conventional neural networks can distinguish facial features like eyes, nose, and mouth to identify individuals. The key difference lies in complexity and data representation. Machine learning algorithms work well with structured data and are suited for tasks like classification and regression. While deep learning, on the other hand, excels in unstructured data domains such as images, audio, and text, leveraging complex architectures to extract features. Machine learning finds applications in areas like recommendation systems, fraud detection, and predictive maintenance. Deep learning powers advancements in image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and autonomous vehicles. For instance, machine learning models recommend movies on streaming platforms, while deep learning algorithms enable voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to understand and respond to natural language commands. In conclusion, while machine learning and deep learning share common goals, their approaches and applications vary. Understanding their distinctions helps us choose the right tool for the job and unlock their full potential in solving real-world problems. Thanks for joining me today. Keep exploring the world of AI and machine learning, and until next time, happy learning.